In this video, I wanted to show you guys how you can hack Dragon Ball Legends and get free unlimited crystals for yourself. So whether you have Android or iOS, you can download this cool app that allows you to do that for yourself in your own device. So I'm going to be flipping my screen over and showing you guys using my own phone step by step so that you can easily follow along and be able to download and install it for yourself. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Alright everyone, so before we continue with downloading and installing the game or the mod hack in your device, I just wanted to show you basically the app and how simple it is to use. So this is it right here. It's the Dragon Ball Legends mod app. So once we click on it, as you can see, it shows the mod menu right away. And I have all of these features that I can unlock for myself, just like I can unlock all characters. As you can see, it immediately unlocks it. And if I want to, let's say, max out all levels, I can also do that. As you can see, all levels have been maxed and basically all of these things. So if you also want to be able to do that, let's go ahead and continue with the tutorial. So first of all, if you are an iOS user, we do need to make some adjustments to our settings. So go ahead and open up your settings. And if you are using Android, you don't have to worry about these steps. So this is only iOS. So once we're in our settings, we're going to go to battery. And we're just going to make sure that we have low power mode turned off. So if you do have it on, just click the slider and turn it off. And also just make sure that you have at least 10% battery in your device, so you don't run into any issues when you are downloading. Okay, so now heading back to our settings, we're going to go ahead and click General, and then we're going to click Background App Refresh, and then click there again. And we just want to make sure that we select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. So whichever works best for you, just make sure it's either one of these and it's not in off, okay? Now we're going to head back to our general settings and we're going to go ahead and click About. And here we just want to confirm that our iOS version is at least iOS 11 or above. So if you don't have at least iOS 11, I do recommend that you upgrade your iOS version before you try to download and install the app, since you will most likely run into issues. It probably won't work for you, okay? So keep that in mind. And of course, if you have anything higher than iOS 11, like I do, you're good to go. Okay, now we're gonna head back to our settings and we're gonna go down to Safari. And once you're in Safari, you're gonna head all the way down to Advanced. And super important step, last but not least, we want to make sure that we enable JavaScript. So in case you do have it disabled, just turn on the little slider here, just like that, and make sure that it's green. That ensures that it's on. So JavaScript allows the web page where we can download our mod to load properly, and therefore we can download and install properly. All right, everyone. So that's basically it for our settings adjustments. Now for everyone, both Android and iOS, we're going to go ahead and open up our web browser. So whatever your default or preferred web browser is totally fine. And we're just going to type in the name of the web page where we can find our app, which is this one. It's called vivahelper.com. So once you type that up, just click go. And so once you're here, you have a search bar right here. So basically we're going to go ahead and click on it. And we're just going to type in the name of our app, which is the Dragon Ball Legends mod. And once we find it, we're going to go ahead and click on it. And then it's going to show this pop-up. We're going to go ahead and click Download Now. And then we're just going to give it like a minute or two for it to finish downloading here. And then we can proceed with installing it into our device. All right, so once that finishes downloading there, you're going to get this pop-up. Just click Allow. And then it's going to say profile downloaded. Keep that in mind and click close. And we're going to exit out of here. And now we're all going to head to our settings and we're going to look for that profile downloaded notification. So in my case, I'm using iPhone, so it's usually up here. So basically just click on it once you see it, and then you're going to get this pop-up, and this is basically our app that we are going to finish installing, just so that it's in our home screen up and running along with the rest of our apps. So that was our passcode. So if you have a passcode for your device, just type it up and then click next, and then install, and finally click done. That's basically it, guys. Once we exit out of our settings, as you can see, our app is going to be immediately in our home screen along with the rest of our apps up and running and ready to go. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. That is how you can hack Dragon Ball Legends and get unlimited crystals if you want. And I will see you next time.